It's now 6. Basically, we stayed at this campsite last night on Piha beach. What the plan is we've just got up sunrise and we go up to a viewpoint, further around the corner. Hopefully, if the light's good, we should get a nice sunrise up there. So we've parked here. I think the viewpoint is that way, but looking over the beach here, looks like we've got some nice fiery cloud. I'm not sure if it's the best for a photo. We tried those 2 spots, but I think like the buildings ruin the view a bit, so we're going to try and go down basically closer to the bottom of the beach and hope that we're getting like a better view down there. Here's where we were yesterday, and the plan is, I think we can like mound to the top of here. Clouds aren't as pink anymore, which is a shame. What can you do, eh? How's it going?
Sick.
I much preferred this spot to where we were before. We're both pretty tired after waking up pretty early, like so early this morning. So I think we're just gonna like rest until this evening, and then we've got to work out what we're doing then. Basically, there isn't much plan. In the end, we decided to drive a couple of hours towards the Coromandel area. Found this little bay called Waina Bay. I think we're just gonna recover. It's all meal. Jobs are good, and we're adding some finest.
Just a little bit. Give it a bit more flavour.
I think that's the end of a long day for us. Actually, the first day I actually vlogged in New Zealand, which was always nice. We're soon going to Cathedral Cove, which I think you'll like. So for tonight, night night. See you later.